Good morning, traders. And how do we trade the Dow Jones today? So I've got the weekly chart up at the moment, and I just wanted to highlight something that we are at an all-time high, and I actually think we have well, currently, not last night, but as of this morning. So there is the high there, and we are currently above it. Okay, so we just come down to 12 minutes. So we're currently at an all-time high. Okay, so that is that's fairly significant for the Dow because last year when this started happening, when we broke the all-time high, it tended to hold the high and then continues to move to the upside. So it would consolidate a bit and then move. On the rare occasions, it would pull back, but it normally pull back on measured moves. Okay, so anyway, all the targets that I've been talking about for the last couple of weeks, well, sorry, the last 3-4 days, which was the all-time high, have been met. So I'm out of all long trades at the moment on this one, and I would like to see a pullback, but this could just continue its trend now, and your pullback could be few and far between. Something similar to what happened last year. So we are in overbought territory at the moment. So I'm a little bit concerned of going long at these levels, and I would like to see a pullback or a consolidation. Okay, so you can see consolidation here, consolidation here. So if we can see some consolidation, and then with the consolidation, you see how everything falls off, your oscillators come back down, and that will give us an opportunity to get back in long. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty interesting in actual fact. Let's just get so my broker has suddenly added an extra candle for my closing range. So basically it's the last 3 candles for me now. So what I'm looking for is the last physical hour of trading, basically. Anything that happens in between is irrelevant. So for me, I'm looking for, well, the last hour, 15 minutes, basically. That gives me my closing range breakout. So at this stage, we have had a breakout, and we do have breakout target higher up here. Now, I just want to come to the daily because we should still be playing this measured move here. So that was a move, then we consolidated quite extensively, and that should be what we're aiming for. Okay, so that is the next logical target, which is 26957. So let's just say 26950, and if we get through that, then obviously 2700 would be the next logical target. Okay, now you have to bear in mind that we have no reference to the left. Okay, so the only reference that we've got to the left is the previous all-time high, and we are currently above it. If we take a 4-hour view of this, we have had a 4-hour close above that level. Okay, and that is significant. So even if we do pull back into this area, you are still trading to the long side. Okay, this is a very strong uptrend, and we have broken a level, a significant level with a 4-hour candle. So anyway, and you can see now how your oscillators are actually meaningless. The longer we're just pointing straight up at the moment, and this is what you need to trade. Okay, so let's just get down to 12 and see. So the challenge that we're going to have right now is, and it's already breaking through. So the challenge that you're going to have is trying to get in on a trade, to get in long when we're at a major level like this. Okay, so even though we have a 4-hour close, we haven't had a daily close yet. We'd need today's bar to close above it. That would give us a daily close above it, which gives you a lot more confidence. But for me right now, I'm kind of reluctant to play along here. I may do it if we break through this level because it's a 50-point stop loss. So it may be worthwhile with a fairly small stop loss. Okay, so definitely not looking for shorts here. Any pullback is an opportunity to get long, and that is how I'm going to trade this until we change we're going to need a change on the hour, basically. So I'm going to need a break through the alligator on the hour for me to change that. Okay, so yeah, so I think for me it's kind of a case of I've taken profit, so let's just sit and wait and see what happens next. Okay, so yeah, nothing more that I can add to this, to be honest, this morning. Yeah, we are at a fairly significant level, and we're going to have to wait and see what happens this morning. We may just continue. There's a very, very good possibility that we do continue this rally to the upside. And the way things are looking at the moment, it's rallied and we're consolidating. So it's the exact same picture that what we had yesterday, pretty much the day before. So I would expect the same to happen. Okay. So yeah, we're going to wait to see what Europe brings. If we do get any kind of solid break above this level, well worth taking the long. Just keep your stop below 26,730, and let's see how it plays out. Okay, so yeah, so summary is I'm trading with the trend. The trend is up, but I'm a little bit cautious at this level where we are now. I would have expected some selling, but it doesn't look like we're getting any selling at the moment. Okay, so yeah, stay safe, be cautious, and if it does break to the upside, then you need to ignore all oscillators and just follow the Bill Williams. Okay, just follow Bill Williams, follow a moving average. Doesn't matter which way you want to do it, but the trend is up, so trade with the trend. And that looking like we're going to get a break above here anyway. Okay, anyway guys, that's my take on this at the moment. You're going to need to keep your stops really tight. Ideally, you'd like to see a big pullback, but I can't see a big pullback happening unless there's some drastic news that comes out today. I think something's bubbling around under with the trade wars, and investors are pretty much discounting it completely at the moment. Okay, so that's my take. Still trading to the upside, just being very cautious at this level at the moment. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's it for now. I hope it helps. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.